Meaning of gold.
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 Gold. Gold is a precious metal with a bright yellow color that has been highly valued throughout history for its rarity, beauty, and usefulness. It is often used in jewelry and decorative items due to its luster and durability. Additionally, gold has industrial applications such as in electronics and aerospace technology due to its high conductivity and resistance to corrosion. It has also traditionally functioned as a store of value in currency. Overall, gold is a highly sought-after commodity that possesses unique physical and chemical properties, making it an important asset in various fields.